Dear students, in this class we are going to know about simple past tense. Okay, what is simple past tense? Okay, how is the verb form in simple past? The verb form in simple past is the second form of the verb. The second form of the verb is used in simple past. Before that, when do we use simple past? We use simple past to represent the actions took place in the past. The action or the event that is taken place in the past. Okay? The action in the past means whatever the action finished in the past, that is expressed in a simple past tense. If you went to the market yesterday, you have to express, sir, I went to the market yesterday. That is the finished action. So that should be expressed in a simple past. Okay? Now, how is the sentence pattern in sentence pattern? Sentence pattern in simple past. Let me tell you the sentence pattern in simple past. Sentence patterns means the sentence pattern in affirmative, the sentence pattern in affirmative, the sentence pattern in negative, the sentence pattern in a question mark type sentence. Question. Affirmative, nothing but positive sentence. Okay? In affirmative, the simple past tense is like first you have to write the subject and then you have to write the second form of the verb. Example. Tell me any subject pronoun. For example, they went to college. In this sentence, where is the verb? Went. That is in the second form or for first form? Second form. So this is sentence that action is in simple past. Now, so subject plus second form of the verb. That is the sentence pattern in the affirmative. Next, how is the sentence pattern in simple past in negative sentences? In negative sentences, the sentence pattern is first the subject plus did. Okay? Not plus verb 1. Don't write verb 2. Because already you mentioned the helping verb in second form. Then you have to write the first form only. So, they went to college. Can you express the same sentence in negative following this structure? Tell me. They did not first form of when. Very good. Go. They did not go to college. For suppose, if there is ate, then the negative is did not eat. Okay? For example, if there is drank, the negative form is did not drink. Okay? If there is slept, the negative form is did not sleep. Take the first form. When you write the negative, you have to write did not plus verb 1. Okay? Question form. How is the sentence pattern question form in simple past? In question form, you have to write the helping verb first. Did. Next one, subject. Next one, main verb. That should be in first form. Verb 1. So, They went to college. Now tell me the same sentence in question format in simple past. Did, subject is they, main verb is go. Don't write went. Here did is in second form. You should not write go in second form. If it is second form, if the verb is helping verb is in second form, the main verb must be in the first form. Did they go to college? Question mark. In this way, you can write affirmative, negative, and question mark sentences in simple past. Okay? This is affirmative structure, the structure of negative, the structure of question mark sentences. Now, I will give you one sentence in affirmative. You tell me in negative and question. She wrote many novels. She wrote many novels. Where is the verb in the sentence? Wrote. That is in the second form. Wrote. What are the three forms of wrote? Write, wrote, written. Okay. Now this is affirmative. Now tell me the same sentence in negative. She
does not.
No. She does not. That is in simple present. I am asking in simple past. She did not write, very good, many novels. She did not write many novels. She did not write many novels. This is negative. Now question format. Question format is did plus subject plus first form. Did you have to replace did and she here. Did she write many novels? Did she write many novels? That is in negative form. Okay? Understood? In the next class, we will discuss the usage of simple past.